don't think necessity is the mother of invention. Invention, in my opinion, arises directly from idleness, possibly from laziness, to save oneself trouble. With this thought, I, Lavanya of grade 7C, with my classmates, have got a golden opportunity to conduct today's morning assembly. The theme of our assembly is discoveries and invention. No day can be solved without memorizing the Almighty. So for the prayer, here is
Praise Him, praise Him, praise Him in the morning, praise Him in the noon, praise Him, praise Him, praise Him when the sun goes down. Love Him, love Him, love Him in the noontime, love Him in the noontime, love Him, love Him, love Him when the sun goes down. Thank Him, thank Him, thank Him in the morning, thank Him in the noontime, thank Him, thank Him.
pledge is an oath to fulfill our duties towards our nation. So for the pledge, here is Riddhi.
Good morning. Please take your pledge positions. India is my country and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers and all elders and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind!
Vision is the mission of the school. So for the vision, here is Divyanshu.
Good morning everyone. I am Divyanshu Bisht of grade 7C. Today I am here with the vision of the school to inculcate moral and ethical values among students apart from academic excellence and all around qualitative development with practical knowledge and deep rooted value system by providing modern and content free education to serve for the large cause of the society and the nation. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
The thought of the day is to invent. You need a good imagination and a pile of junk. To enrich our word vocabulary, here is Akshara.
Good morning everyone. Today's two new words are, my first word is pimp, P-I-M-P. Its meaning is make something more impressive. The sentence is, he insisted to give a speech on Monday morning to pimp his idea to every listener. My second word is staycation. Its meaning is vacation spent at home. The sentence is, in the horrible lockdown of COVID-19 virus, staycation was my only option in July. I want to repeat my two new words, pimp and staycation. Thank you.
Power of speech is the ability to express more in few words. So here is Anna Negi for a beautiful speech on today's topic.
Good morning everyone. Today I am going to deliver a speech on the topic discovery and invention. Many times we get confused between the word discovery and invention, but there is a significant difference between these words. An invention is creating something totally new with own ideas and development. Although an invention is new to the world, but the physical materials needed for its production already exists. Discovery is recognizing something that already exists for the first time, that nobody has found before. Now I will share some important discoveries and inventions. First, scientists of IIT Guwahati. They have developed a simple paper kit to test the freshness of the milk. With this paper sensor, we can know whether the pasteurization of milk is done properly or not. Second, scientists have discovered an exoplanet that orbits the solar type star. An exoplanet or an extrasolar planet is a planet that orbits a star beyond our solar system. Now, this is the end of my speech. Hope your confusion would be cleared between these two words, inventions and discoveries. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
To share a moral story in front of you, here is our class teacher, Prasant sir.
Good morning, everyone. Today I will share the success story of a great scientist whose positive thinking, attitude, and hard work have changed the world. Thomas Alva Edison. He was the great scientist of his time. He did almost 1093 inventions in his lifetime. Edison was the youngest child of his parents. When Edison grew up, his parents got him admitted in a school. One day, Thomas Edison came back from the school and gave a paper to his mother. He said to his mother, "My teacher gave this paper to me and asked me just you have to open it." When his mother read that paper, her eyes got filled with the tears. So the Thomas Edison asked, "What is written in the paper?" His mother read the letter, "Your son is a genius. This school is too small for him and does not have enough good teachers for training him. Please teach him yourself." Many years later, Edison's mother passed away. By that time, Thomas Edison has become the greatest inventors of the century. One day, he was checking his cupboard and found a letter, and it was the same letter that his childhood teacher wrote to his mother. Edison opened the letter and read it. In the paper it was written, "Your son is addled." Addled means mentally ill, and we won't allow him to come to school anymore. Edison cried for hours and then he wrote in his diary, "Thomas Alva Edison was an addled child. By a hero mother, he became the genius of the century." He faced many ups and downs in his lifetime, but he never gave up. At the time of invention of light bulb, he failed more than 10,000 times, but he kept trying and finally got success. When a news reporter asked him how it feels failing 10,000 times and finally getting success, so Thomas replied, "I did not fail 10,000 times, but I found 10,000 ways which won't work." So the moral of the story is, our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is to try just one more time. Thank you and have a nice day.
Our motherland needs our attention. Tell our motherland that we always stand by her. So stand straight in honor of our national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उत्कल जलधि तिरंगा शुभ नाम जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाए तब जय गाता जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Science knows no country because knowledge belongs to humanity and is the torch which illuminates the earth. Starting as always the end, so we have reached the end of our assembly. Thank you for listening to us patiently. I hope you like our little efforts. Thank you and have a great day ahead.